What is up guys, back here with another video. Today we're gonna unbox the 13-inch MacBook Pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. So looking here on the MacBook Pro's box, it's basically the same as any other MacBook Pro. It doesn't have the M1 chip, it has the i5 7th or 9th gen chip. It also has 16 gigs of memory. So actually getting into the actual box, it's, let me tell you, toolless, except when I had some trouble actually opening the box. But that's a whole nother thing. So after that, we see the MacBook Pro in its glorious space gray color. And we also see the 2-meter USB-C to USB-C lightning cable, which is really good. Hopefully they put that in the iPhone 13s, if they call it that, next year. After that, we also get 2 space gray Apple stickers, which I personally never have seen. So underneath that, we also get a 61-watt power supply, which is actually not bad, especially because this is pretty low powered, but pretty high powered at the same time, because some people actually even use this for video editing. So that's all I can show you about the 13-inch MacBook Pro Core i5 model. But yeah guys, if you like this video, like it. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button right below the like button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss a single video of mine. Maybe don't miss a single video that's like this or even better. And follow me on my Twitter account that's going to be linked right below the like button to get updates on the next video. But anyways guys, that's gonna be it. Peace.